Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials so activation won't fail midstream. Make sure your iPhone model supports Esim and update iOS. Carriers often require the latest fixes. Once done, open Settings and go to Cellular. Tap Add Cellular Plan and use the carrier QR, enter the activation code, or launch the carrier app to begin. Make sure you are on stable Wi-Fi or have working data. If the phone still shows a physical SIM prompt, remove it only if the carrier instructs. Next, perform the detailed activation sequence and why each step matters. Scan the carrier QR exactly as provided or carefully paste the activation string. A single typo prevents registration. After the plan installs, label the line and pick whether this eSIM is your primary data or secondary line, because that affects SMS and data routing. Enable Wi-Fi calling and roaming per carrier guidance. Finally, restart your iPhone to finalize profile provisioning, and then confirm the new plan appears under Cellular Plans. Finish by validating service. Place a call, send an SMS, and browse mobile web to verify data. If connectivity is inconsistent, toggle airplane mode briefly to force re-registration. When activation fails, remove the eSIM profile and repeat the QR/code flow. Record the ICSID and error messages before calling your carrier for provisioning checks. As a final step, back up your iPhone and reset network settings only if carrier support recommends it. This clears local conflicts, but preserves data in backup for recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.